One more package. Let's go ahead and open this up first. I think this is from Travis Scott website. I ordered beanbag. By the way, this is not what we are doing today in the video. Today we have a very special sneaker unboxing that I've been waiting to do from a long time because I have the shoes for over a month now and I know how I have control to wear those. Yes, this is the beanbag from Travis Scott. Check this out. What kind of a beanbag is this? Yeah, beanbag. What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing. So as you can see, we have this beautiful Nike Air Jordan 1 box, but if you watch it closely, the Nike is not in red, it's in orange, which is why I have orange and I have orange. Let's start with unboxing the pair and then we will talk about it in detail, what, when, how, where, why. By the way, box khali hai, juta kidhar hai? Cut. Resume. Alright, so yes, the box is full now. Let's get going with the unboxing. One more thing before I show you the sneakers. I am not sure if many of you must have understood, but some smart people must have already. So basically, these sneakers released I think 3 years ago, if I'm not mistaken, and since that time I wanted this shoe for the longest time, and I will tell you why I did not happen to get it until now and why I got it now finally, ultimately. So basically, these are at the top where it comes to Air Jordan 1 highs for me, and which is why I was chasing them for so long, but unfortunately it's only now when I was able to get them. Okay, enough talking. Ta-da! So these are the, wait, let me unbox them completely. Let's put the box away. So these are the Air Jordan 1 High Soulfly. Now before we get into details, let me first tell you, like I have said before, but a couple of you guys still had some questions about it. So say suppose I got these sneakers now for the first time from an international random seller, random in the sense with reference and stuff like that, blah 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 blah. So what I first do after getting the sneaker is I first go through the Legit Check app to make sure the shoes are legit. By the way, when I made this video about legit checking shoes, I totally forgot to tell you guys about my referral code. So if you are looking to try the app out, then do not forget to download it and use my referral code named Karan, and you will get a free Legit Check for one of your first sneakers. So give it a shot. I'm sure most of you guys watching this video have a sneaker or two, so you can try the app out and check it out for free, absolutely how it works, and probably then take a call if that app makes any sense to you or not, because it totally does make all the sense to me in the world. Now after that, what I do is obviously the whole prep process, which I again explained in one of my sneaker maintenance videos. Now why I'm going through all this procedure right now is because I want you to just know that when I get a brand new sneaker, how everything works and how I finally decide to keep them and wear them eventually. So yeah, I've put in the shoe trees as you can see in this shoe. Let me just show you. Yeah, so these are the crepe trees that I already put in my shoes after the Legit checking process. Then I put a couple of layers of Crepe Protect spray, and yeah, since then the shoes have just been lying in my showcase because like I had said some time back, I had a lot of content and I could not really decide what to put when, and I thought maybe there's no hurry to put these or share with you guys about these pickups, so which is why it's happening now, probably after a month. So yeah, now let's take a look at the shoes in detail. There's not much to talk about. Obviously you all know about the Soulfly and Jordan collaboration. So there were two pairs in total. One was the Friends and Family pair in the patent leather material, while the second one was this. So the patent leather one was Friends and Family, like I said, and was limited to only 223 pairs. Now what happened after that is that I actually had bought that pair even before its release through one of my really trusted plugs, and I got it for about $3,500 if I'm not mistaken. But sadly after that I was told that the size was not possible to be sourced. like in the case of trophy rooms, but it did go through with the trophy rooms. My size is extremely difficult when it comes to friends and family and limited sneakers. So I got a refund for those shoes and I never got them again. Since then I had been thinking if I should go for these or should I go for the patent leather, and I couldn't really make my mind. And when I actually did make my mind, these actually blasted up way over $2,000 in my size. So I thought I'll wait it out a bit, and that is how the time passed. But then eventually I thought a month ago that fuck it, I just want them because orange has been my favorite color since the beginning. And also talking about these particularly, the quality is absolutely insane. It feels like a very premium shoe, especially with the golden Jumpman hang tag. This hang tag में हमेशा problem होता है मेरे साथ. This golden Jumpman hang tag, correct? Hang tag. And also these beautiful white laces with some golden lace tips. By the way, these shoes initially come with the green laces on, but obviously I wanted them to be in white laces without a thought, which is why I immediately changed it to white. These are the 2 extra laces that you get with the shoe, but obviously the white ones are going to look the best. I believe most Jordan 1s in the sort of OG color blocking look best with white laces, so which is why I put the white laces. Talking about the shoes, you also get this markings on the inner of the tongue. Let me show you both together. Ulta hai. ऐसे दिखाओ. You get this 305 and the MIA Miami on the inside of the tongue. Apart from that, no, these are not as limited, but definitely they have run out because a lot of people have worn them and the prices have shot up like crazy. So like I said, in my opinion, this is one of the best, in fact at number 1 for me when it comes to Jordan 1 High. Probably the Dior would come second, the trophy rooms would come third. And let's keep this for another video. We'll talk about my all-time top 10 Jordan 1 highs in another video maybe. If you want that, then please comment below. So yeah, that was about my recent pickup. That is a Jordan 1 High Soulfly. Let me know in the comments below what you feel about them. Also not forgetting this really cool Soulfly logo on the back of the shoe. And yeah, that's about it. All the laces come with golden lace tips. Now let me quickly go ahead and show you how they look on feet. Alright, so that's all from me for today. This was a pretty casual video because I did not have much to talk about it, and also I am extremely excited to put them on and get out of the house. I only know how I've been controlling for over a month by not shooting the video and just keeping them in the storage. But yeah, nevertheless, if you still somehow like this video, then do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Probably we'll do one of our older topics about top 10 sneakers under 5k or 10k. Again, let me know in the comments below what you want to see next. And yeah, that's all from me for today. Peace.